Okay, welcome to week 19. This is your overview video of the 3 assignments and what's coming up. It has not changed since last semester if you had me last semester, so you're going to go here to before you begin. This is where you are finding this video right here. If not, you can on Monday at 11 a.m. you can log on to here and there will be a link to Teams that I will do basically this video live so that I can answer questions. But here is your checklist. This checklist is solely for you. You do not have to print it out and send it to me. You do not have to fill it out and do anything. This is just for you to help keep you on track. So we have week 19. As I said, on Monday at 11, I will redo this entire thing if that's what I need to do. There are 3 assignments, and on Wednesday at 11, we have a face-to-face that's purely voluntary, that we either do a Kahoot or some kind of game, just so that we can interact with each other. I also answer questions if you have any questions, etc. So vocabulary is pretty much the same at this point because last week was just an introduction. This week we are actually going to complete a very basic PowerPoint. And this will help you answer the essential question, because last week really didn't answer it yet. You didn't have enough information. The face-to-face meetings are voluntary. They are Monday and Wednesday at 11. So you will be able to understand the purpose of a presentation. You'll be able to create a basic PowerPoint, and you are going to create a typing goal for this week. Assignment 1 is basically that I need everybody to download the downloaded version of PowerPoint. If it is not on your computer, I show you how to do it. You do not have to buy it. It comes free as a student, and I show you how to get there to do it. When you are done, you need to complete the questionnaire. It is 4 questions, and basically what I'm trying to find out is, do you have the downloaded version? Because people who have Chromebooks aren't going to be able to download it. There's going to be a couple others, I'm sure. However, we are going to be doing the downloaded version this year because the online version doesn't do nearly as much as the downloaded one, and I want to show you the features and the things that you can do with it. If you cannot download it, I need it to be put into this questionnaire so that I can keep track of it, and you will have alternative assignments. Okay, so you still will have assignments, but you will have alternative assignments. So once you download it, then you're going to do the questionnaire. 4 questions. There's no wrong answers. It's an easy 100. You just have to do it. Then assignment 2 is you need to make a 17-slide PowerPoint. I know that sounds like a lot, but basically it is a title slide, and then you're going to do the 8 parts of speech. You're going to name them and put the definition on one page, and then on the second page you're going to give 2 examples using pictures and words. I give more information and a step-by-step tutorial in assignment 2. And then assignment 3, which I didn't change that, I apologize, I will. You are going to go to typingtest.com. You're going to take your 1-minute timed test, and you're going to submit your time and your goal for third quarter. So you can say something like, my current typing test time is 20, and my goal for third quarter, which is 9 weeks long, is 24. You should be practicing typing as you're doing this all along. That's just an underlying, always there type thing. If you have any questions, problems, please message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If not, I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful week.